Hey y'all, look what came in the mail today. DNA, my dog. So, you all met Luke before. He's my baby. I got him about 3 years ago at the shelter. They told me he was about... It's funny too, before I say that. I'm wearing my shirt. I'm sorry I can't. I have plans with my Pitty. Perfect day to wear that shirt, I guess. But we're gonna find out if he is a pit bull, what exactly he is, and how old he is. They told me he was about 5 when I got him 3 years ago. So we'll see how old he really is. But this is DNA. Your dog's unique DNA. Easy and painless DNA cheek swab kit. So we're going to do this and we're going to see what his full breed composition is. Unique traits to my dog. Genetic health concerns. Percent of every breed in your dog, plus much more. So let's try this out. Let's see what's in here. Okay, inside was directions on how to do this. And it says they identify over 100 breeds. See which ones are prevalent in your dog. Results take about 2 weeks from the time your sample's received in the laboratory. So, each result includes a custom photo certificate of your dog's unique breed composition, a custom report of your dog's breed's personality traits and health concerns, plus more. So I upgraded too because I want to see how old he is. So they will also calculate how old he is based on chromosomes or whatever they do. So inside we have our mailback envelope. That's no postage necessary. We have our specimen envelope. And we have our swabs. So, let's see. Remove sterile swab from packaging holding handle. Do not touch the tip. Place the swab between the cheek and the gums of the dog. Rub firmly the inner surface for 20 seconds in a circular motion. 20 seconds? Oh, let's see if we can do this. We want to open this side because that's where it says peel. Alright, we're going to take... There's 2 of them in here. So there's one. Luke! Here, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, I'm not counting. Alright, we're going to... Luke, come on. Luke! Luke doesn't like this. Come here. Come here. Lucas! Lucas, come on, please. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, now he's being a little more cooperative. Alright, it says do not touch. Put it in the envelope. Do not seal the envelope. Take the other swab. And we're going to do the same thing again. Alright, Luke. Come here. Alright, now he's better. Now he's being still for me. Well, he might be trying to eat it. I don't know. Hey, you're being a good boy now. Good boy. Thank you. Okay. Lots of saliva on there. So then it says put that in the envelope. And then it says do not seal. Wait 25 minutes. I did have the directions. What did I do with the directions? It's... Oh, there. Alright. So it says wait 25 minutes before sealing. You want it to air dry in the unsealed envelope for 25 minutes. Then place sealed donor specimen envelope in the supplied mailing envelope, and the cheek cell samples are stable for several months without refrigeration. So then it says register your test at DNAmydog.com and then mail this off, and then about 2 weeks after they get it, we should know what Lucas is. Well, I know he's a dog, but you know what kind of dog he is. Yes, Windsor is learning. He barks. Oh, Luke is not a barker, but Windsor, he likes to bark. He likes lots of attention. So we are gonna mail this out and then follow up in a little bit. So what kind of dog do you think Luke is? Let me know what you think he is. I'm gonna put a couple pictures and you let me know what you think he is, and we will see who is right. You can even guess his age if you want to. They're saying he was 5, and I've had him 3. Has it been more than 3 years? I think 3 years. So they're saying 8, but we will see how old he really is. All right.